Hello, Primary 5. Today we'd like to start the grammar with the past continuous tense. Let's start. What does it mean by the past continuous tense? The past continuous tense is an action that was happening in a particular time in the past. So, it speaks about what was going on when something important happened. For example, I'd like to tell you about the day I met my best friend. I was walking through the park, the birds were singing, and it was raining just a little bit when I saw her. She was standing and holding an umbrella at that moment. So, would you please tell me, where did you meet your best friend? What were you doing when you met her? Okay. Please pay attention to this picture and let's see where the past take action, okay? So the past continuous it takes place here in the past. As you see this red line. So it takes place in the past, or the action in the past, until another action, this blue action, interrupted it, okay? So this is the past continuous tense. What is the formation of the past continuous tense? Was and were plus the present participle. What does it mean by present participle? As we said before, it's verb plus ing, okay? So was or were according to, is it singular or plural noun? Let's study the keywords. All afternoon yesterday, all evening yesterday, all last month, all last week, all last night, at 9 o'clock this morning, for a long time yesterday, throughout the night. Let's study these two examples. I was sleeping. We were sleeping. What is the difference between them? Example 1. I was sleeping. The singular pronoun I take was, but the plural pronoun we in the second example take were. So with the plural we take were. We were. Let's study. We were sleeping, you were sleeping, they were sleeping. But with the singular, we studied I, he, she, it with the auxiliary verb was, then the present participle sleeping. Okay, is it clear now? So this is the affirmative form of the past continuous tense. Now, let's study these two questions and what's the difference between them. He wasn't sleeping. We weren't sleeping. The same. The first example, he wasn't sleeping, is in the past continuous, but negative. Okay, so we studied wasn't, but we weren't sleeping in the past continuous tense is a plural pronoun we, so we add we weren't. Okay? So here the negative form, we add wasn't or weren't according to the subject. Is it singular or plural? Now it's time for studying the interrogative, how to make a question. To make a question, we have to start with WH question, where, when, what, how much. Okay, then we add the auxiliary verb was or were according to the subject. Is it singular or plural? Then we add verb with ing. For example, where was he sleeping? Where were you sleeping? Clear now? I hope that is clear. Now, please pay attention to these two actions, the red action and the blue action. As you see, look to this picture. What was happening here? He was having a shower. What happened next? The phone rang. So, the action A was taking place in the past, unless another action interrupted it. This action B, the phone rang. So, the past continuous tense taking place in the past. It took a long period. Then, the past simple interrupted it. As you see, while he was having a shower, the phone rang. But if we use the when, he was having a shower when the phone rang. So what is the difference? While take the past continuous tense, then the past simple in the other action, okay? But when past simple, then past continuous tense, okay? Is it clear now? So study these two rules, please. While past continuous, past simple. When past simple, past continuous. Now it's practice time. So please underline the correct words in brackets and send me your homework, okay? See you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you.